Hello and welcome to the channel, guys. Today in this video, we will talk about crypto wallets in detail. So let's get started. What is a crypto wallet? A crypto wallet is a software program or physical device that allows you to store your crypto and allow for the sending and receiving of crypto transactions. A crypto wallet consists of two key pairs, private keys and public keys. A public key is derived from the private key and serves as the address used to send crypto to the wallet. The important part of a wallet, and the part where new users often find themselves getting into trouble, is the private key. A private key is like the key to a safe deposit box. Anyone who has access to the private key of a wallet can take control of the balance held there. But unlike a safe deposit box, crypto users who hold their own private keys and make transactions using non-custodial wallets, a wallet not hosted by an exchange or other third party, become their own bank. It is similar to a bank account, but the main difference is it is controlled by a key that only you control. You use this private key to initiate transactions, which is called signing, says Joel Dietz, founder of Art Wallet and contributing developer to MetaMask. While the idea of crypto itself is still new to many people, crypto wallets themselves are designed to be user-friendly. Web wallets like MetaMask and desktop wallets like Electrum come with a graphical user interface (UI) that is made to be as simple as possible. So to understand crypto wallet more clearly, we need to understand how crypto wallets work. Blockchain is a public ledger that stores data in what's known as blocks. These are records of all transactions, the balances held at any given address, and who holds the key to those balances. Crypto isn't stored in a wallet per se. The coins exist on a blockchain, and the wallet software allows you to interact with the balances held on that blockchain. The wallet itself stores addresses and allows their owners to move coins elsewhere, while also letting others see the balance held at any given address. Most crypto wallets allow users to send, receive, and store crypto. Some have a feature to buy and spend cryptocurrencies, says Utsav Dar, co-founder of Incub 8 Finance. Certain crypto wallets have additional features like swapping between tokens, staking tokens for a fixed return paid out to users, as well as access to dApps, decentralized applications built on various networks. While each wallet has its own specific nuances, here are the general steps involved in sending or receiving funds using a crypto wallet. To receive funds, you need to retrieve an address, also known as a public key, from your wallet. Locate the Generate Address feature in your wallet, click it, then copy the alphanumeric address or QR code and share it with a person who wants to send you crypto. To send funds, you need the address of the receiving wallet. Locate the Send feature in your wallet and enter an address of the wallet you intend to send coins to. Select the amount of crypto you'd like to send and click Confirm. Consider sending a small test transaction before sending large amounts of crypto. Note that sending coins requires a fee that will be paid to miners in exchange for processing the transaction. Sending money via QR codes or long strings of numbers and letters may seem strange at first. But after doing it a few times, the process becomes quite simple. Now we'll have a look on types of crypto wallets. Crypto wallets fall under two general categories: software wallets and hardware wallets. Software wallets are simply desktop programs or browser extensions that make it easy for people to send, receive, and store crypto. Hardware wallets serve a similar purpose but are physical devices that can be plugged into a computer. Software wallets are sometimes called hot wallets because the funds are kept online. Hardware wallets keep private keys held offline or in cold storage. Hardware wallets. A hardware wallet is a small device that can store crypto offline. A hardware wallet keeps your keys off of your phone or computer, says Dietz. Usually, you plug in the hardware wallet from a USB port. This is much more secure because all of the signing happens off of your computer. The typical hardware wallet costs around $100, give or take. These tend to be slightly more complicated to use than software wallets. Most hardware wallets interact with a computer in one of three ways: a web-based interface, a company-created app, a separate software wallet. Software wallets. The software wallet is a computer program or mobile app that holds private keys online. Software wallets are unique to each cryptocurrency, while hardware wallets often support multiple currencies. More on these differences later. Software wallets can either be used on the web, in which case they are custody wallets, which aren't completely secure, or they can come in the form of apps that can be installed on a phone or laptop, in which case the private keys are stored on the local device, says Dar. These may be connected to the internet, again making them less secure. That's all we have for you today, guys. See you again in our next super interesting and informative video. Until then, peace out.